Let's begin with the chapter A Wedding in Brownsville by Isaac Bashevis Singer. Student, this is supposed to be a chapter number 3, a short story in your book, and this story was written by Isaac Bashevis Singer, and he also won a Nobel Prize for this creation. This writer had received a much felicitation for this story. So students, before moving on to the main story, it's must for you to know about the writer first, then we will discuss about the main character of the play. Okay, here is a writer. About the author, I will tell you. Isaac Bashevis Singer was born on July 14, 1904 in Poland. He was a Polish American author who was admired for his recreation of the forgotten world of 19th century. So student, he was a Polish American author. He was a Polish American author and he was famous for his recreation. He was famous for his writing of the forgotten world of 19th century. It means in his writing we will find the evidence of the incidents of 19th century. Okay, Poland Singer began his writing career as a journalist in Warsaw in the years between the two world wars. He started writing as a journalist in Warsaw in the years between the two world wars. So he was a writer also, and again he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1978. Okay, his collected the stories appeared in 1981. In all his work, he explores the tradition of Jewish life, past and present, expressing his fascination with the history of his people. So, student, this is very clear to us. He was a Polish writer. Polish means someone who belongs from the Poland. He was a Jewish by the caste. What was he? He was a Jewish. Jewish are the people who belong to the religion of Jew. Okay, so he was a Jewish. So we will find whatever the culture, the background of the person is, he or she write down in his works. So here also we will see this man, this writer was himself a Jewish. So in his writings we will find a great version of Jewish life, past and present, expressing his concern about the Jewish community. Okay, so student, here we go about the story. First of all, I tell you about the main character of the story, who is supposed to be the main character of the story. Student, in the story we have found the main protagonist of the story was the main, whose name was Dr. Margolin. Okay, here he is with Dr. Margolin. So, who was Dr. Margolin? He is the main protagonist of the story. He was a Jewish doctor. Okay, so we found that the writer was a Jewish. So, the character in his plays are also supposed to be Jewish, and here we can see this. He was a Jewish doctor. Dr. Margolin was a Jewish doctor. He was a board member of Jewish Scholastic Society. So the students, the whole story is going to rotate about this Dr. Margolin, the incident that took place with this Dr. Margolin, his past life, his profession, we will be reading in the concerned text. Okay, and he had a wife also. His wife Gretel, her name was Gretel. His wife was a German lady, a Christian lady. Although his wife was a non-Jewish, it means she was Christian, she was a German, but at the same time he was anti-Nazis. He was against the Hitler. Okay, so this Polish American journalist Isaac has very effectively conveyed gruesome realities of war. In this main play story, we will see that Jewish people were actually They were actually tortured by the Hitler Nazis, we can say. They were literally, what should I say, exterminated by these people in the most heinous way. And for these things, Isaac has very effectively conveyed gruesome realities of war and its devastating effects on the psyche of human beings. The story will talk about, all in all, about the past culture of Jewish culture. Here means, simply means, the torturement, the atrocities Jewish had to see in their lives during the Hitler times. We will see how these people were molested by Nazis people. They were shot down, they were literally killed in the broad daylight, and even they had to dig up their own grave in the graveyards. The families were literally blown away. Kids and women were especially most soft target for these Nazis students. Okay, so here we talk about the story. What is the story of this play? A Wedding in Brownsville by Isaac Bashevis Singer is a story about Dr. Margolin. Story is basically about the Dr. Solomon Margolin, and he was a Jewish man. Okay, it was time when Nazi leader Hitler exterminated and wiped the Jewish out from Germany and Poland. This story is about mainly the time when Hitler was ruling and people were tortured. They were thrown out from Germany and Poland. After surviving from Nazis' attack in Germany, this man, Dr. Margolin, was also the member of this molestation. We can say he was also tortured by the Nazis and the Hitler. So Dr. Margolin, along with other Sansi miners, had come to New York to take shelter, just to avoid all this massacre or bloodshed. We can say these people had run away from Germany and Poland, and they took shelter in New York. So the story, present story, A Wedding in Brownsville, is set in New York because these people were settled down to New York. So Isaac has very effectively conveyed, the writer Isaac has very effectively conveyed gruesome realities of war and its devastating effects on the psyche of human beings. Obviously, students, when you face a type of atrocities, a type of heinous crimes, you feel totally disgraceful after this. You feel too insecure when you feel such kind of crime, such type of injustice in your life. So it leaves a dark impression on your mind. Here also writer has revealed this point, like these people were molested a lot, they had suffered a lot. So it was somewhere in the mind of this Dr. Margolin that was running in his mind every time. Okay, he had a very, what I can say, dark side of past. His childhood was spent in the shelter of these Nazis, and he was hit by these people. Okay, so even in wedding parties, people have painful discussion about the war. So I'm telling you here, this play is all in all about the Jewish torturement, the fascist regime of Nazis. Okay, the writer has described Margolin's distorted relation with his wife Gretel. In this story, we will also see this man had distorted relation. Although he used to show a positive relationship with his wife called Gretel, but still somewhere he was not at all happy with his marriage life. He was feeling exhausted. He was not at all comfortable and overjoyed with this relationship. And this play will also deal his dedication to his profession. his profession was mainly a doctor. He was a Jewish doctor. So this man used to help his community people a lot. He would not charge any fees for the Jewish community people. Whenever the patients would come to his hospital, he would not charge anything. He would just give them a good care and good medicines. This is the thing here. And his illusionary encounter with his beloved Rezil in the story. And in the end of the story, we will see he also got confronted with his beloved. When before moving to New York, he was in love with a lady, a Jewish lady. She was a beautiful lady called Rezil. So he also met this lady again in his life. So we will also discuss about this. Okay. Hope you have understood well. Thank you.